What if we could travel at the speed of light? Imagine zipping through space faster than anything humanity has ever dreamed of, visiting distant stars, planets, and galaxies in a matter of seconds. But what would that actually look like? What would it mean for us, for space travel, and for the very nature of the universe? To even begin answering this, we have to start with the most famous equation in science, Einstein's E=mc². It tells us that the speed of light is not just really fast, it's the ultimate speed limit of the universe. At 299,792 kilometers per second, or about 186,282 miles per second, nothing with mass can travel faster. But what if we could? What if we somehow found a way to break or bend the laws of physics and reach this incredible velocity? Before we dive into the mind-bending effects of traveling at light speed, let's start with a more basic question. What would it be like to travel at this speed, physically and visually? First, you wouldn't see things the way you're used to. At light speed, reality itself changes. Light behaves very strangely when you're moving at such extreme velocities. Due to the Doppler effect, light waves from stars in front of you would become compressed, shifting into higher energy wavelengths, meaning you'd see them move toward the blue and ultraviolet end of the spectrum. Meanwhile, objects behind you would shift to the red end or even disappear completely. It's like you're looking down a tunnel of stretched-out starlight with the universe warping around you. Even more bizarre, space itself would appear to bend and distort as you approach light speed. In fact, everything in front of you would seem to get compressed into a small circle directly in your line of sight, while the universe behind you would stretch out into a long, dark tunnel. It's not just a visual trick, this is what happens due to the effects of relativity, but the weirdness doesn't stop there. As we push closer and closer to the speed of light, time itself changes. Now let's talk about time. One of the most mind-blowing predictions of Einstein's theory of relativity is something called time dilation. As you approach the speed of light, time for you, inside your spaceship, would slow down relative to someone watching you from Earth. If you traveled at the speed of light to a star 4 light years away, like Proxima Centauri, it would take you 4 years to get there from Earth's perspective. But for you, aboard your light-speed ship, time would barely pass. You might feel like the trip only took minutes or even seconds. That means light-speed travel could theoretically allow you to experience interstellar journeys in a fraction of the time it takes back home. But here's the catch. When you return, you'll have aged only a tiny bit, while years or even centuries may have passed on Earth. This time travel aspect of moving at light speed raises some serious questions about how human civilization could handle such a phenomenon. What if you left Earth for a quick tour of the galaxy and came back to find that everyone you know had aged and changed beyond recognition? It's a fascinating yet haunting prospect. But before we get too carried away, imagining this futuristic travel, there's one huge challenge: energy. To move at the speed of light, you would need an infinite amount of energy. That's because, according to relativity, the faster an object with mass goes, the more energy it takes to keep accelerating. As you approach light speed, your mass also increases, demanding more and more energy. Theoretically, no matter how advanced our technology becomes, we can't actually accelerate something with mass to the speed of light because the energy demands would become infinite. And that's a huge obstacle we can't ignore. However, scientists have been exploring some exciting workarounds. Concepts like warp drives, popularized by science fiction, are being studied. A warp drive would involve bending or warping space itself, moving the space around a ship rather than the ship itself. This could allow faster-than-light travel without breaking the laws of physics. But that's still theoretical and requires exotic forms of matter we've yet to discover. So, what would it mean for humanity if we somehow found a way to travel at the speed of light, or even near it? First, it would revolutionize space exploration. The galaxy, which currently seems so impossibly vast, would suddenly be within reach. Colonizing distant planets, Finding new homes for humanity or just exploring the mysteries of the universe would no longer be the work of many generations, but could happen within a single human lifetime. But with this immense opportunity also comes a profound philosophical question. How would we cope with the disconnect between time on Earth and time experienced by those traveling at these incredible speeds? It would change the very nature of our relationships, our societies, and possibly our perception of reality itself. Traveling at the speed of light is one of the most thrilling ideas we can imagine. It pushes the boundaries of what we know about physics, time, and space. While it remains in the realm of science fiction for now, the very concept challenges us to rethink what's possible. Perhaps one day humanity will unlock the secrets of light-speed travel, or something even more incredible. Until then, it remains one of our greatest scientific mysteries and one of our most exciting dreams. What do you think? Will we ever achieve light-speed travel, or is it destined to remain an unreachable goal? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, keep dreaming and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space and science.